Hey yo, check this out. I just made this game Innovators of the Galaxy using Blackbox.ai. So I've been curious about how AI agents work. Let's test this out. Wow. To proceed, you must demonstrate basic Python knowledge. Alien interface displays primitive data. Whoops. Well, that is not correct. Okay, so this is naturally you'd want to find out. Whoops. Naturally, you'd want to hard code this thing so you have the right information. So, I mean, it's already a stop, but once it's generated, this gives our code. Wow. And this is the HTML to do it. So I don't have to worry about making the HTML myself. I can just copy this. Makes sense because when it comes to logic and reason, you can't be using AI. But for style and aesthetics, yeah, we can do that. Let's look at the code, right? So that's all that HTML, div headers, and all that stuff. This looks like some kind of JavaScript, I don't know, JavaScript or whatever. So I have to actually type var variable name. The thing with var variable name is this is a totally different language. Python, you don't have to do that. What? That's insane. Well, in any case, this is really cool. Let's see what else we can do with AI agents. Agent for building AI-powered apps. What if I want to make an AI app? Something that can make me easy money tomorrow. Okay, so here I'm at the limit for my credits, but Blackbox.ai, guys, you can use this to make code. How is this any different from, say, Claude or ChatGPT? Well, this part is not. The beautiful part of Blackbox is you can download this to your VScode. It has a VScode agent, a desktop agent, end-to-end encryption. It has an autonomous coding agent. I would be wary of using autonomous coding agents, the Blackbox.ai IDE. And what's the difference between Blackbox.ai versus Cursor? They say it's superior to Cursor, and Blackbox.ai achieve 100% success rate. Interesting. So apparently Blackbox is way better at Cursor, way better at in general than Cursor in coding, reliability, code quality, and autonomous capabilities. Well, this looks cool. There's a lot to discover here, but try out Blackbox. It's apparently better than Cursor, and I'm very excited to see how this turns out. They say the Blackbox is better than Claude as well. So if you're stuck trying to make websites using just Claude, then you might want to, no, you definitely need to try Blackbox. Go with Blackbox. It is better. I don't like the code logic that was generated, but that's the case with AI in general. You know, that's why you need to have development skills to really debug any AI generated code. It shows just how important having the actual skills matters in the age of AI. But man, all that HTML it did to make a website from scratch, geez, that is insane. Look at this. You know how long this would have taken me to make? And besides, I don't really care about this stuff. Not as a non-front-end developer. I'm a back-end developer. So, like machine learning engineer, an AI engineer. So, yeah, I don't care about that other stuff. Meaning, I'm not going to spend a bunch of time, or I'm not going to stay stuck or bottlenecked by HTML code, simply, you know, holding me back from deploying an app. Very cool. This would be great for small businesses, solopreneurs, especially for solopreneurs. I mean, look at this. Solopreneurs who know how to code, but they're not front-end web developers and all that. There's also this quick start. We have a mobile app, code on the go, adding features, building with IDE. So you can really vibe code with this thing. Okay, we're going to be looking more at I was going to say Roblox AI. It's Blackbox.ai. All right. Click the link below. It's a special link that'll give you some perks, some features. It's an affiliate link. That's how I'm making my money. So support me, and I will bring you more videos. Let me know your thoughts and your experience with Blackbox AI.